Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today, we're making the easiest Chinese noodle soup, Yang Chun Mian. It's a classic in Jiangnan region, especially popular in Jiangsu and Shanghai. It only involves 4 ingredients and takes 5 minutes to make. But it's so delicious and satisfying. Let's get started. Cut the scallions in half. Dice the green tops. We'll add them at the end. Cut the bottom part into 2-inch long pieces and put them into a wok along with 1 tablespoon of pork lard. Lard is what makes this noodle soup shine, even with so few ingredients. For muslin option, use butter. Carefully fry the scallions over medium-low heat until golden and crispy. Just like that. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and pour in 3 cups of water. It will be better if you use stock, but not necessary because Yang Chun Mian is supposed to be simple. It takes a few minutes for the broth to come to a boil. During this time, we'll cook the noodles in a separate pot, which I already brought some water to a boil in advance. For this recipe, you need thin wheat-based noodles. Fresh would be ideal, but dry ones will also work. Just make sure they are thin. Boil them until al dente or to your preference. If you're not sure, just pick up a strain and take a bite. Personally, I like extra chewy and springy noodles, and these are super thin, so I only cook them for 3.5 minutes. Roll them using a pair of chopsticks so they look nicer in presentation. Transfer the noodles into your serving bowl. Sprinkle the reserved diced scallions. I like to top 1 teaspoon of lard for each serving in addition to enhance the creamy and rich taste. The broth should come to a boil by now. Skim the scallions and pour the broth into the noodles. As the heat melts the lard, you smell the wonderful aroma of scallion mingling with pork fat. It's warm, rich, and irresistible. And we are done. Some of you may wonder, really? That's it? Why so plain? Yes, Yang Chun Mian began as humble street food for people who can't afford much. It's just noodles in broth with soy sauce, lard, and scallions. Nothing fancy. But there is something special about this combination. Once you taste it, it is unforgettable. However, nowadays, lots of noodle houses elevated this dish with rich bone broth and handmade noodles, which give Yang Chun Mian its lasting reputation. If you want to learn how to make the noodles and the broth from scratch, let me know in the comment. I hope you give this a try soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!